Hi family, this is Nettie with Simply Me Journey. Well, I have a working on a little project here and I'm going to show you all what it is. I was trying to figure out what I can do for my window covers, to cover my window other than looking at that reflectives. So one of my subscribers told me to check with Home Depot, and it's something called uh, paper shades. Okay family, let me show you what they are. Paper shades. I got black. I got the black. That's for the back window. And I have the gray for the front window. And what you do, you cut them. You cut your paper shades to the size of the window you want. I've already completed my front windows. Let's see. Let me bring it out. Let's see. Okay, so I've completed my front windows. Now here go the piece that I cut off from the other two front windows, and they come with little clips. So once you cut them, this strip here, you glue. It's a real good strong strip. So you pull that strip off and glue it at the top part where you want it to be at, and it sticks really well. So let me show you all what I've done. Okay, hold on. Let me introduce these things first. Okay, I'm not a affiliate of Home Depot or Redi Shade Company. No Tools original pleated paper shades, room darkening gray, trim, peel, stick. So you cut this at 36 by 72. This didn't cost me no more than $6. Each one of us no more than $6. And you have the instructions on the side how to use it. So yes, so I have completed 2 windows and I am loving it. I love the way they look. See at the top? See the little pins hold them up? All right, let me see. Okay, let's go to the, try not to put too much light. Okay, let's back this up. All right, I'm taking the pin out, removing the pin. See how that looks? Remove the pin. All right, let's do the other side. The little cute pins. Okay, look at that. It's a little long. I didn't cut the bottom. I didn't cut the bottom off. So, oh, sorry about that. Okay, family, how does that look? And the gray is perfect. The gray color is perfect. So, all I have to do now is fold it back up all the way to the top like you've seen it, like this one is. Fold it back up, stick the pins on it, and it's done. And they're really cute. I like them. Thank you, Subby. Appreciate that, because I didn't know anything about paper shades, but I like this here. This is good. This is going to hold me for a while until I'm ready to spend money on some better ones. But in the meantime, these are going to do. And I will say the front 2 windows is completed. I'm going to go over here and show y'all how I'm going to pull this up and pin it. Yep, y'all, it's warm enough for me to wear my shorts today. See, it's going up really well. It's not giving me any problems. Not giving me problems at all. It's going up really well. So I get all the way to the top, clamp, other side, clamp. Love it. Let me see. There we go. So they're paper, nice coarse thick paper, and I like them. I'm impressed. I am truly impressed. So here we go on the floor. So I have my one of my ceramic towels that was outside, and I measure my window out. I'm working on the side window over here. Let me go back and take measurements again and write them down. Now I don't have my I should have it, but it's in the car. I mean in the back there in my backyard garage is my so I need to do 22.5 exactly. 22.5. Let's say 22 3/4, yeah. Okay, yeah, 22 3/4 is what they look like. Yeah. We're gonna put that down to size. Let's take it out the package. And this is the graded gray. So I got the black one for the back window. Now watch the little nail, because that little nail is down there. This is a little different. This is the same thing. The other one was not in the All right, taking this out of the case here. Now I'm going to do my measurements. And then I'm going to mark. Let's take 22. Right there. Packing little clamps. All right, time to cut. So I'm using this. Cut on that little black line. Let me see. Using scissors is really hard because it's kind of thick. So look like that. It's going to take me a minute because these are not sharp. And I'm just going down hard. Yeah. I don't know why this is chopping it up, because the last two when I didn't chop it up like that. Maybe because I just had a wow. Well, I shouldn't have used that. Shouldn't have used this other thing, the scissors. How I got that chopping in using the scissors, right? Yep. Well, I know it would have been much easier if I would have gotten my utility knife. Yeah, it was too late to go out there and get it out of this, one of the boxes out there, because I thought I had it in my other bag, but I don't have it in my red bag. It's in the yellow bag. Get to the end. Yeah. Still sloppy. This is a little bit, but it's okay. Nothing I can't pull off. I don't like that, but I'm not gonna worry about that. Now, get my little clamps here. All right. Let's get up. Let's go to the window. If I'm making you all dizzy, let me apologize in advance for making you all dizzy. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this to come up some. Y'all can see the window. All right, there we go. All right, family, I got to step on this box because my step level's outside, which I need to go get it anyway because I'm going to start I might just do my paint job in the morning and start my other project. Okay, see the strip right here, family? So all I gotta do is just pull the strip out, tear the strip, and I want to make sure this is out from here. I've already wiped up there. I already, wiped the dust from here. So I'm taking my strip. All right. Ooh. This looks like this is a little tight. Let's go. All right, this box perfect. Yeah, this is about right here. So just pressing and pressing and pressing for the strip to stick. I'm gonna have to cut this here. Okay, hold on. That little raggedy end. It's not that cute. Let's get this off of here. Wow. Yeah, I didn't do the other ones like this. I don't know why this happened. Okay. Because it's paper, I'm not going to cry. But anyway, you all see it's sticking really, really well. Just bring it down. Oh, this is a little tighter than what I need it to be. So I may have to shave it off a little bit. Seems like I'm gonna have to because the other one's just falling without a problem. Yeah. I'm gonna shave this off. I'm gonna leave it up here, but I'm gonna have to see I have to shave it off. Well, yeah, I know I took my measurements. Yeah, no. Sorry for y'all have to look at this here, but I'm gonna get this shave right on off. See, family? Oh my God, such a horrible job I'm doing. Okay. Not today. Not today. All right, so I'm gonna let this level down just a little bit. Put the pen in it, and this is gonna get good and snug, that's for sure. This is good and snug. Where'd my pen go? So, y'all got the idea. So I'm going to continue with my project. And so I don't have to deal with the reflectives anymore. So that's a hooray for me. Because I was like, them reflectives, y'all, I ain't lying, they wasn't all that pretty at all. Y'all look at my mint plant, my sweet mint. Yeah, I got that yesterday. Because I love mint. I like to have mint, cold water, mint, cucumber, and lemon. It's delicious together. It's a really refreshing drink. Really, really refreshing. Okay, family. I just wanted to give y'all a little demonstration. Show y'all how to use it. Although that didn't come out as perfect as the other one. But still, it is serving its purpose. I love it. Thank you, YouTuber, for sharing that information with me. And it's not expensive to use these, $5, $6 per each row. And you really can't beat that. So, like I said, the back one, for my back one, it's going to be black. I chose black for the back, and the other one it's going to be gray. All right, family, this is Nettie, Simply Me Jer. I'm not going to keep y'all much longer. And family, I appreciate you all watching my videos. I will be having my live housewarming party on Sunday at 4 p.m. Central Time, Louisiana time. And please, family, come join me. You have any questions, ask the questions, and as I see them come up, I will answer them. And please invite your family and friends to come and watch and see how we turned a little shed into a tiny cabin. And you know, it was a journey. It was a journey, y'all. It was there was days I was kind of stressed out. Really, really was. Wanting to get it done. And you know, depending on others can really make you look frustrated and stressed. So, but thank you, Lord. It is completed, it's done. The inside of the cabinet is done. I just have to put my smoke detector up, and I have to put my accessories, my commode, my toilet tissue holder, stuff like that in the bathroom. And that's what I'll be doing. So I have some, like, when y'all come in live with me on Sunday, some things that I'm not showing at this point because I want it to be a surprise to see how you all like it. And that way, you know, have a little surprise for it. I don't want you all to see everything at one time, okay? All right, family, and thank you to my old and new subscribers. I appreciate you all watching my video. And please, y'all, hit that like and subscribe button. And family, when the video show and you see the ads, please let the ads run through. And I'm also, like, not too far from my 1,000 subscribers. So if y'all have friends and family, please have them to join my videos and watch my videos for me. And I'm not too far from the 4,000 watch hours. So we're getting closer every day. And I thank you all for taking the time out to watch my videos. This is just me doing me, and that's it. I'm just an ordinary person. I really enjoy what I'm doing, and I enjoy sharing it. So, family, thank you, love you, appreciate you, and you all have a blessed evening. And it's about what? It is about your journey. Bye, family.